Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Mercari application on your iPhone. So let's get started without wasting much of our time. Open your App Store and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. In the search box, type in Mercari and search. Mercari is a Japanese e-commerce company. The Mercari Your Marketplace application can be used as a perfect place to declutter and discover items that are uniquely you. Once you get to this interface, tap on the Get button to begin the download. Now, wait for the application to download and install on your iPhone. And once it is, you can open the app anytime you want. Once the application is installed, you can sell or buy almost anything with your application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.